We are big supporters of reading from a young age, and that is why we are publishing The Mother Tree by Claudia Christian and Chris Macaulay on paperback, hardcover, Kindle, and Kindle Unlimited. In the heart of a beautiful forest stands the Mother Tree, ancient, wise, and full of life. Beneath her sheltering branches live a quirky family of animal friends, a feisty survivalist raccoon, an abandoned cat learning to trust again, a gentle motherly bird, a wise old turtle, and a young fox eager to make a difference. When their forest home is threatened, these unlikely friends must come together to protect the tree that unites them all. Along the way, they discover the meaning of friendship, courage, and the importance of caring for one another, and for the earth itself. With tender moments, gentle humor, and a message of hope, the Mother Tree inspires children to love their world, stand together, and believe that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference.